Una sa ating mga balita, tiniyak ngayon ng Malacanang na igagalang ng pamahalaan ang proseso kaugnay sa pagpapalabas ng warrant of arrest laban sa Amerikanong sundalo na si Joseph Scott Pemberton. Si Pemberton ang pangunahing suspect sa pagpatay sa transgender na si Jeffrey Laude.
Ayon naman kay Presidential Spokesman Edwin Lasieda, may provision sa Visiting Forces Agreement kaugnay sa issue ng kustodiya kay Pemberton. Ayon sa Department of Foreign Affairs, naihain na nito sa US Embassy ang kopya ng warrant of arrest laban kay Pemberton. Narito ang ulat ni Rocky Ignacio.
Muling iginit ng Malacanang ang pagtalima sa proseso kaugnay ng kasong pagpatay sa transgender na si Jennifer Laude ng umanong Amerikanong sundalo na si Joseph Scott Pemberton. Sinabi ito ni Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lasieda sa pagpapalabas ng warrant of arrest ng Olongapo City Regional Trial Court kay Pemberton matapos sampahan ng kasong murder. Git ni Lasieda, may provisyon na nakapaloob sa Visiting Forces Agreement sa pagitan ng Pilipinas at Amerika ukol sa usapin ng kustodiya kay Pemberton.
We have to follow the process right now. There was a warrant of arrest that was issued by the court, and so as a matter of procedure we have to enforce the warrant. We have formally seek custody of Mr. Pemberton, but we have to go through the process within the purview of the Visiting Forces Agreement. So may warrant of arrest, we have to go through the regular process dyan. So for instance, it will be issued to the PNP. The PNP will now submit it to the DFA and the VFA Commission with coordination with the U.S. Embassy. Now, again, all this should be done within the purview of the Visiting Forces Agreement. Kasi like you mentioned, may provision na ganyan, but hindi naman, we have to enforce the warrant of arrest now. There's the Visiting Forces Agreement which has that provision, but that shouldn't stop us to formally seek custody of the U.S. serviceman.
Kasalukuyan nakadetain si Pemberton sa Camp Aguinaldo, bagamat nakadetain sa isang kampo ng Pilipinas, wala pa rin anya sa kustodiya ng bansa si Pemberton.
On the very first instance that we asked for their cooperation, they provided us cooperation by allowing Mr. Pemberton to be placed inside the premises of Camp Aguinaldo. But remember, there's a custody issue here within the Visiting Forces Agreement that we have to follow the purview of the Visiting Forces Agreement. The provisions of Visiting Forces Agreement. May mga, yan ang nakasaad sa provisions of the Visiting Forces Agreement. Yes, physically nandito siya sa Pilipinas, maganda yon. Pero ngayon, kailangan natin ituloy yung proseso. May warrant of arrest, kailangan natin i-coordinate ito with the DFA, with the VFA, and with the U.S. Embassy.
Sagot na rin ito ng kalihim sa pahayag ni Senador Miriam Defensor Santiago na dapat ilagay sa regular jail si Pemberton.
I have no information kung ano ang coordination process that's going on right now. Remember that warrant of arrest was just issued yesterday. And so there will have to be coordination within the several agencies involved, considering that we have this involves a foreign serviceman and this involves also the provisions of the VFA. But suffice it to say, we are seeking custody of Mr. Pemberton.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.